liberation, freedom from mental suffering. Liberation breathing. Find yourself in a comfortable and easy position. We'll be using your right hand, folding down the second and middle fingers. We'll be using the right thumb to close off the right nostril and the right ring finger to close off the left nostril. We'll exhale one nostril at a time, percussively, as the abdomen pulls inward. The inhale happens naturally without thinking. So close one nostril and the other nostril exhales, and then switch, closing off the other nostril and exhaling out the other. So you're moving between your thumb and ring finger. Go at your own time. Move at a fairly fast pace. Strong, rhythmic exhales. Complete many rounds. And then gradually move so your thumb is closing off your right nostril, your ring finger is free, and exhale deeply out the left nostril. And then bring your hands down and just begin breathing naturally. And gradually move your awareness to your third eye or the midbrain. And from your third eye, then gradually move your awareness up a little higher to your upper midbrain or to the crown of your head. And rest there. And notice the subtle cleansing of the mind and freedom from mental suffering. Liberation meditation. Find yourself in a comfortable, easy position. And move yourself into the space of your heart. And within your heart, invoke the presence. The presence is unique to each of us. It may be a presence of light or a knowing of love. Whatever it is for you, just invoke this presence. Universal in nature, yet we may all work and experience it uniquely. And begin to reflect on this presence. Reflect on this presence as wise, old and young, the same. Reflect on the age of this presence. Youthful and old and wise, all together. and reflect upon dying and birthing as part of the same cycle or circle. Death and birth as part of the same cycle or circle. Reflect upon the question and answer as interdependent, connected. The question and answer, interdependent. And reflect upon immortality, the undying nature, not physically, yet in the presence. The undying nature in presence. Reflect upon eternity, the release of time. Eternity, the release of time. And now bring any and all fear into your heart. Allow any fears to come into your heart to be held and embraced and loved. Release every fear to be loved by the presence in your heart. You may need to stay here and continue with this for some time. And when you're ready, reflect upon all as love.